ستا نوم څه دی؟
What is your name? What is your name?
زما نوم اقرا دی.
My name is Ikra. My name is Ikra.
ته د کوم ځای یې؟
Where are you from?
Where
are you from?
زه د پېښور یم.
I am from Peshawar. I am from Peshawar.
ته چیرته اوسېږې؟
Where do you live? Where do you live?
زه په لالهزار کالونۍ کې اوسېږم.
I live in Lazar Colony. I live in Lazar Colony.
ته د څو کالو یې؟
How old are you? How old are you?
زه د 11 کالو یم.
I am 11 years old. I am 11 years old.
ستا د پیدایش ورځ کله ده؟
When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
زما د پیدایښت ورځ 1 د می ده.
My birthday is on 7 May.
My birthday is on 7 May. ستا د موبایل نمبر څه دی؟
What is your phone number?
What is your phone number? زه موبایل نه لرم.
I don't have phone. I don't have phone.
ستا وظیفه څه ده؟
What is your job?
What is your job? زه یو استاد یم.
I am a teacher. I am a teacher.
ستاسو دین څه دی؟
What is your religion? What is your religion?
زما دین اسلام دی.
My religion is Islam.
My religion is Islam. یا زه مسلمان یم.
I am Muslim. I am Muslim.
ستاسو مورنۍ ژبه څه ده؟
What is your mother tongue?
What is your mother tongue? زما مورنۍ ژبه پښتو ده.
My mother tongue is Pashto.
My mother tongue is Pashto. آیا تاسو مکتب ته ځئ؟
Do you go to school?
Do you go to school? هو.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. ستاسو د ښوونځي نوم څه دی؟
What is your school name?
What is your school name? زمونږ د ښوونځي نوم Wisdom House Public School دی.
Our school name is Wisdom House Public School. Our school name is Wisdom House Public School.
تاسو په کوم صنف کې سبق وایئ؟
In which class do you read?
In which class